Hi Joel, it's Mark. Just going through the file that you sent, and I'll show you how to get rid of those flip triangles. So first of all, I'm just going to go into my layers, and I'll make my pattern layer active, and I'll turn off the other default layer and the model layer. And I'll just go into my top view, and I'll go into a rendered or a shaded view, so you can actually see the stress on the part. And these things are all like what they call flip triangles. So it's just material that's flipped over on itself. Um, Actually, let me just go back here for a second. So I have my part, and what I'm going to do is let's move it up here. I'm going to use a tool we call, which should work very well for this, a remesher, adaptive remesher, and it's this A. So if I go into my mesh tools, select an A, the A tool, which is the adaptive remesher, select the part and hit enter. And I'm going to change this input to 3 for the surface tolerance, 3 for the boundary tolerance, and 3 for the minimum edge length. And I'll just hit start. And what you're going to see is it almost decimates, but what it's really doing is actually adding a good mesh quality to the part. So we have very uniform tessellation. And just hit OK here. And now I'll go into my flattening routine. So I'll go into Tools. I'll select this Flatten tool, flatten the piece, hit Enter, and go in and I'll make the pattern view active and turn off those other two views. And we still have the flip triangles. What I can do is I find that this pelt uh, algorithm works pretty good, so I'll pelt this, and you can see it's actually gotten rid of all the flip triangles there. Then I would go in and I'd optimize the piece. And I'll just use cotton and hit OK. And I'll just take a second to kick in, but there you go. Going to get a nice pattern out of that. And a little bit of sag here, but that's not too bad. And just hit OK, and then I would export the pattern piece. I'll just call it Joel underscore leg, and save it to my messy desktop. Of course, now my mouse has stopped working. I ran out of a battery, I guess. So I'll save it. And if we go into our files, so I'll just check my options. I probably have, okay, got no seam allowance. So we'll just take a look at that file. File open, no. Files. File format, DXF. Should have a few DXF files here. Joel leg, DXF. Okay, there we go. There's the file right there. So that's the grain line. Of course, your layers are here, so you can turn grain lines and everything off. Anyway, hope that helps. Let me know if you need any more um, tips that I can give you or tricks, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend.